still welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm just going to show you a remedy that would help you to gain weight at the right places. Okay, so you're just going to gain weight at the back side, okay, and also at the front side, okay. And you are going to be loving it because obviously you don't need to gain weight everywhere. You need your tummy to be slim, you need your side, your tummy side to be so snatchy, you need your back side to be huge and your hips to be out and your thigh to be small, for some people big, I don't know, but this is actually going to help you gain weight naturally. So if you did love the video, thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share the video. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, guys, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. So guys, without wasting time, let's get into the preparation. And here I have honey. This is actually organic honey. There are still some particles in this honey. You can see that it's not properly sieved because I bought it right from the farm. It's so super organic and it works like really magic, okay. And here I have coconut oil, coconuts. From here you can process coconut oil or coconut milk, and we're going to be needing either of that from this coconut, okay. This is fresh, washed, and processed, yeah. And here I have some tiger nuts. It's actually called Ofio. So in case you're actually looking for it, it's called Ofio in Yoruba language. Alright, so that's just what I know. It's just we're gonna get milk out of this tiger nut, and that's basically what we need because it's just going to help us to gain weight at the right places and at the right time. Man, you are gonna be loving it, okay. It's just gonna serve you so much. And the last one we're gonna be needing is gonna be egg, and in this egg we're just going to be needing the egg yolk, guys. Now this particular one is optional for those people who can actually take egg raw. You can skip it, but if you can, it is going to be very effective because it's just going to make it work really fine. That is actually what is just going to make all of this ingredients work so well. So you need the egg in the treatment. Alright guys, so now let's prepare the ingredients that is just going to make us gain weight at the right places, which is now to start with. I'm gonna be cutting the coconuts because we're gonna be needing some coconut milk. Basically you need enough milk, but a good milk like the coconut milk and the tiger nut milk, okay. So if you have such milk in the comfort of your home, guys, you are going to be gaining weight at the right places, okay. So the weight is not going to go to your tummy or anywhere else. So now transfer to a blender, and also I've actually washed my tiger nut, then I'll be transferring this into a blender. I'm going to be pouring in some good amount of water so we can blend and get some some milk from this, and I'm gonna go blend this and we're gonna be right back. Alright guys, so here is the blended coconut and tiger nuts. Now I would have to be straining it out, guys, and now we're just going to be getting some milk out of this coconuts and tiger nuts. So what I'm going to do is to sieve it out. So guys, you don't have to put in too much of water, okay, so that you can have your milk coming out being very thick, okay, and actually very effective, okay. So now I will be putting in the honey, and you're going to be putting about 1 tablespoon of honey in this, and here you go. Okay, so you don't the next thing is to break in the egg, and for this you're just going to be needing the egg yolk. Okay, so the egg section is actually optional. If you can take raw egg, this will be very good, but trust me, when you put egg in it, it's gonna make it, oh my god, it's gonna make it more effective. I hope I don't break the yolk already. Okay, this is okay. And here I have the drink. Like, trust me, if you take this drink is just going to make your backside and your front side fat, like really great. And it's actually very healthy. If you're actually having dizziness or tiredness and all of that, you can still make it and take it. It's just going to help you a whole lot in that section. Okay, so you have to take this very early in the morning before taking anything. Let it just sit in your belly and help you to, you know, send the fat to the right places, which is your back side and also your front side. And the drink is very healthy, and if you can, you should take the egg yolk. It's actually very good. All right, so let me have a taste of this. Wow, this is actually really nice. Like the egg, you can't even feel the egg yolk in this drink at all, but you can only smell it. Like, so if you have to take it, you don't have to smell it. Okay, so that's basically it, guys.